Hey friends, are you still worried about large excavators getting stuck in the narrow alleys of old urban areas? Concerned that the renovation and repair of sidewalks and bike lanes will affect traffic? Want to reduce costs for self-built houses and small civil construction projects? Feeling helpless when indoor demolition spaces are restricted? Don't worry about it. The HY-10 Mini Excavator will handle everything for you. To be honest, in the construction field, versatility is the key. You don't need 5 different machines to handle 5 different working conditions. A single HY-10 paired with various attachments can handle any scenario, maintaining stable performance every time. This is the power of the HY-10. First, let's talk about the size. This is exactly where it crushes the competition. With a body just 2,870 millimeters long, 930 millimeter wide, and 2,230 millimeter high, this compact and agile beast can easily navigate narrow spaces where large machinery can't go. The small alleys of old urban areas, rural courtyards, indoor basements, factory workshops, any narrow space you can think of, it can go. But don't be fooled by its compact size. It is a power performer. It can handle a total workload of up to 1,000 kilograms, a maximum digging depth of 1760 millimeters, a maximum digging height of 2,450 millimeters, and a maximum digging reach of 3,033 millimeters. One machine, infinite possibilities. No more frequent equipment changes. No more wasted time. HY-10 for actual construction, made for workers. One moment it's digging soil, the next moment it can break the ground, and in the blink of an eye, it can load loose materials. All thanks to its revolutionary quick attach component design. No need to buy a new machine, no complex operations. Just a few minutes to change attachments and switch work modes. Saves time, reduces costs, and maximizes work efficiency. Let's talk in detail about these accessories. Bucket, suitable for various narrow spaces. It can easily handle homestead lands, drainage ditches, uneven wastelands, and gravel surfaces. With its compact bucket size and flexible steering, it is especially suitable for working in corners, such as narrow ditches, narrow roads, under trees, and along walls. It offers precise control with minimal error, making it easy to operate even in the trickiest spaces. Whether in rural construction or dense urban areas, it performs excellently. Spiral door bit, specifically designed for drilling and boring. It can create precise holes in gardens, outdoors, or by the roadside without deviation, and it won't damage the surrounding ground or structures. It is very suitable for fence installation, tree planting, or any project that requires precise drilling. Two-slice bucket, made from a single piece of thickened steel plate with a straight cutting edge and no teeth design. It is especially suitable for fine grading and precision work on the ground. It is mainly used for leveling, slope correction, cleaning, and backfilling, achieving a visually pleasing finish, making it an ideal choice for precise construction. Tip: not suitable for digging hard soil, gravel, or rock. For these conditions, it is recommended to use a standard bucket. No matter what kind of attachment is installed, the HY-10 can handle it with ease. Every movement reflects precise control. This is not a flashy but impractical feature, but a key advantage that can genuinely improve your construction efficiency. The best part is, HY-10 is backed by the major Chinese manufacturer, integrating excavator research and development, manufacturing, production, and assembly all in one. Quality is guaranteed, specifically designed to solve the pain points and difficulties in your construction, helping you reduce usage costs and easily complete various construction needs. One machine, multiple uses. No more construction troubles. No more wasted costs anytime, anyway. Stable performance, efficient operation. This is the HY-10 Mini Excavator, your ultimate solution for all kinds of small-scale construction needs. Thank you for watching, friends. If you find this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel to get more tips on construction equipment and product demonstrations. If you have any questions about the HY-10 or need help choosing the right attachments, just leave a comment below.